The Jayne Redman Rotational Bench Pin is a modern version of the Essential Jeweler's tool. Its generous size and rotational aspect, along with multiple work surfaces, provides the contemporary jeweler with the perfect support for every project. There are 3 base options available: the side mount work surface mounting bracket, the standard rotational base, and the GRS adapter rotational base. The Jayne Redman rotational bench pin system now uses a universal mounting bracket for all base systems. One side of the bracket has smooth, unthreaded holes for securing to your bench. The other side, marked work surface, has threaded holes for mounting either bench pin surface. Let me walk you through the simple installation process for all 3 bases. The most basic and economical configuration is the side mount work surface mounting bracket. It uses one universal mounting bracket. Mark and drill 4 holes into the side of your bench. You will need to provide 4 screws to secure. Be sure to screw through the smooth, unthreaded holes. Now you can use the top, marked work surface, to attach either the Purpleheart wood or aluminum bench pin. Use the flat head hex screws provided with either bench pin. You will need a 5/32 of an inch hex wrench. The standard rotational base configuration uses a second universal mounting bracket joined to the first with a 3/8 inch socket head screw and a stainless steel washer. This time you will mark and drill 4 holes in the top of your bench. Use the 4 Phillips head screws provided. We recommend a 1/8 inch drill bit. 2 interchangeable work surfaces are available. Both are 6 inches long and 5 inches wide. The aluminum surface is 1/4 inch thick and is ideal for sawing and piercing. Attach with the 4 short hex screws provided. The surface of Purpleheart wood is 1 inch thick with one side slanted and the other flat. 4 long hex screws are provided to attach the wooden surface to the work surface side of the mounting bracket. Use the 3/8 inch socket head screw and the large hex wrench provided to remove the front universal mounting bracket. If you have both work surfaces attached to mounting brackets, you can easily switch between the 2. The socket head screw also allows the Jayne Redman rotational bench pin to rotate 360 degrees. This rotational aspect is essential for creating the correct angle to saw out blanking dies. The third base configuration uses an adapter which works with a GRS Benchmate mounting plate and a universal mounting bracket. I have designed the adapter to be machined from a single piece of steel. It slides easily onto the GRS mounting plate, which is sold separately. The rotational base with GRS adapter provides the most convenient way to interchange work surfaces. The Purpleheart wood bench pin is the traditional shape for a jeweler's bench pin and can be modified for your specific needs. The uniform thickness of the aluminum bench pin lends itself to many uses and modifications. For example, you can cut a smaller V for delicate piercing or clamp to the work surface for sawing. Trace the small end of a wolf flex shaft adapter collar for GRS and saw out a hole in the aluminum bench pin to fit. You can then slide the collar onto a number 30 flex shaft handpiece and secure it with O-rings. This modification will also work with the wolf wax trimmer, which I use to mill hard plastic for jigs. Here's one of the jigs I've invented for making ear wires. I remove one of the short hex screws and replace it with a longer one to secure the jig while I'm working. The Jayne Redman rotational bench pin is available as a kit with the rotational standard base or the rotational GRS adapter base. Each kit includes both the aluminum and Purpleheart wood work surfaces, screws, and hex wrenches. The rotational bases, work surfaces, GRS adapter, and universal mounting bracket are also sold separately.